the long-term use of bridges will inevitably lead to structural wear and damage. To fully comprehend the status of bridge structures, identifying points of damage in its foundations, it is essential for efficient and detailed solutions for regular inspections to be applied. The traditional method of inspecting subsea foundations of highways and bridges usually involved sending in divers. The all-innovative technologies for underwater bridge inspections are being brought forth by 5-fish underwater robots, which aims to solve issues in operating efficiency and capabilities for professional underwater monitoring tasks. The solution by 5-fish delivers efficient operation and simple implementation. The user operates all the tasks on shore where human risk is greatly reduced. The 5-fish Pro W6 can be equipped with an advanced imaging sonar, which locates the position and relative distance of underwater objects in turbid conditions, efficiently identify and inspect the various structural elements of the bridge. Can also be equipped with an onshore power supply system, which delivers simultaneous charging and operating for long-lasting dives. Equipped with 12,000 lumen LED lights and a 4K ultra-high-definition camera system, delivers optimal wide field of view imaging. Underwater measurement systems, compass ruler, accurate and reliable data, and a more mechanical method of measuring. In the bridge's pile foundation inspections, the arrangement of the pile structure under the cap can easily lead to turbulent waters, and the safety risks are high. 5-fish Pro W6 is equipped with an advanced station lock system, delivering automated stability against the ocean currents. The ROV can also be equipped with the self-developed underwater creek positioning system, which delivers real-time location of the ROV, POI, and path recordings. The infrared laser ruler, based on the traditional infrared laser measurement method, can achieve accurate measurement of cracks in underwater pile foundations. AR ruler system QYSEA patent delivers an adaptive measurement range with highly accurate visual measurement data through the 5-fish app. Underwater 3D surveying and mapping systems, the 3D scanning sonar, the high-precision multi-beam echo sounder. The solutions from 5-fish underwater robots are beneficial with the rapid development of national highways and bridges, providing a safer, more convenient, and intelligent solution for the maintenance and inspection of these essential structures.